you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is what I've got to find. Only you could set my heart on fire, on fire. And the rush of paradise, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Continue pa ba? Wait lang, di ready. 'Cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do, like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do, like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for?
Bongga! Palakpakan naman natin ng Marnella!
Ang
feel? Ang ganda-ganda nga eh. Ang dami na nagme-message na nagko-comment. Pero, you know, before we totally let you go, guys, kanina may promise kami after na Love Me Like You Do, ila-let go na namin kayo. Pero, kailangan natin pagbigyan. May isang request kasi dito na nakita namin na nung pinost namin, nag-trending na siya. Trending?
Ano yun?
Ayan. Ang request nila is for Marlo. Kasi si Janela daw talaga dito, give na nung mga last chat, diba? So, para makabawi si Marlo.
Ito ba yung music video?
Hindi.
Akala ko yung...
Mas malala. Mas malala.
Ano to?
Para makabawi si Marlo, ang request nila, mag-twerk it like Miley.
Go! Oh. Ay, nako. Marlo. Hindi. Yung sumasayaw. Oh, okay.
Marlo.
Yung may
Oh my
video,
God.
insert video, please. Oh, ayan na.
Oh, yan.
Okay? Oh, kaya-kaya mo yan? Diba? Janela si Enrique. Ano si Enrique?
I'm sure to do the things that you don't. Baby, it's your body, I just wanna play. What's the sound? What's the thing that's got me like, well, I'm trying to be
Ikaw si Mahag.
friends. Girl, with that body, I just gotta say. You back it up and
Mana boy version.
Actually, may isa tayong video dyan eh. Meron tayong isang video. Hanapin natin. Ano yung title mo doon? Tristan sa YouTube na ide.
sing it up and
Na
spin
Sen
it.
at saka Maha. Yung dalawa sila.
Throw it up.
Yung puro audience participation.
Looking like Miley. Stop looking like Miley.
Oh, okay na, guys. Si Marlon. Natulala ako.
Hindi ma-explain.
O, game.
Oh, game.
Siyempre para sa inyo.
Oo, mag-twerk it. The boy version.
Paano kaya to?
Oo, kasi 'di ba may mga nagiging viral ngayon sa Twerk It Like Miley na para daw maging hot, kailangan nakahubad. So ipapakita ni Marlo na no need. 'Di ba? Ang hot ni Marlo kahit nakadamit.
Gusto ni Von. Maghuhubad na yan.
Hubad.
Joke lang.
Okay, game. Are you ready? And go Marlo.
Kayain mo yan.
Hey girl, it's your song. Let's see ya, but don't go down. I'ma try to do the things that you don't.
Hot! Oh, isa nyo naman in fairness. At si Janela, oh.
This thing has got me like I'm trying to be beat it up 12
Oh.
Girl, look at that body, I
Hanggang
just
chorus
gotta
yan.
say. Back it up and you jump it down low. And you peek it up, girl, I'm ready to go. I'm stack it up and I'm spinning it.
Oh!
When I throw it up,
Start twerking like Miley.
Oh.
Start twerking like Miley.
Oh.
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Like Miley.
Go, Bongga!
Ang galing!
Ang galing, in fairness, ang galing ni Marlo at si Janela.
Oy, magaling rin ako. Sabihin
Oo,
niyo
magaling
ako.
din. Tamang-tama ang lyrics. Oo, narinig ko
Marshmallow
yun.
straw.
Thank you guys dahil pinagbigyan nyo ang munting kahilingan ng mga fans nyo na nag-online ngayon. Why don't
Hot
you
daw.
invite everyone na patuloy na manood ng Oh My G na last 2 weeks na.
Okay, ako muna. Guys, maraming salamat to everyone who supported Oh My G from the start. Sana ngayong last 2 weeks na kami, sana patuloy nyo kaming i-support and abangan nyo kung anong mangyayari kay Sophie and sa kanyang ate Anne. And sa mga team Phoebe and of course yung mga Harvey din. Yan.
Yes, last 2 weeks na po ng OMG. So sana, tutukan niyo po dahil madaming mga lessons pa kami na ituturo kahit patapos na. Madaming magandang mangyari. For sure, hindi namin kayo disappoint. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta hanggang ngayon. So sana hanggang last day namin, supportahan niyo pa din po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you
Yeah.
guys. And lastly, syempre dahil malapit na magtapos sa Oh My G, meron ba kayong message para sa isa't isa? Dahil syempre yung Marnella lalong tumibay, lalong kumbaga nag-trending talaga yung Marnella because of Oh My G. So, I think it's time na magbigay kayo ng message para sa isa't isa. So, si Janelle muna kay Marlo. Kailangan may with matching, titigan. Ganon.
Ang hot daw ni Marlo. Mag-twerk it like
Yaman.
Miley.
Andito kasi si Kuya Bon.
I don't Go.
And, ano ba sasabihin ko? Para namang vow to. Wait. Marlo, thank you for sleeping dahil napipicturean kita ng marami.
Ulit-ulit.
The joke lang. Thank you for being a good love team and a good partner, a good friend, a good shoulder to lean on. Pag may, anytime I need you, nandyan ka. Thank you for everything. Dahil hindi ako nahihirapan na kasama ka. I don't mind na makasama ka even longer. So, I'm happy na ikaw yung naging ka-love team ko. Yeah. Ano?
Go.
Thank you very much, Janela. Kasi ever since be careful pa lang, nag-progress na yung friendship natin. Ngayon sobrang, habang tumatagal natin naging close, I'm very thankful na ka-love team kita. Madami yung tutunan sa'yo, tulad na pagtulog.
Sa kasi ko yung natutunan eh.
Hindi, basta thank you very much. Alam mo na yun. And thank you then for always being there for me. And I'm gonna be here for you always pa din. So, thank you.
Thank you. Sweet. Ayan. Thank you guys again.
Wedding.
And sa lahat ng TFC natin po na nag-online, maraming salamat. And keep on
Thank
watching
you.
Oh My G.
Thank
Thank
you
you
very much,
guys.
everyone.
Thank you.